decide if Distrokid is the right platform for you. In the game of music marketing, strategy is everything. Okay, meeples, let's get into it. Once you sign up, which is a very quick process, it then lets you see the different pricing options. Let's take a look. The most popular one is right here in the middle, and that is Musicians Plus. You can see the different options for signing up here. Basic Musician is going to be $1.92 a month. Musicians Plus is $3.33 per month. And the Ultimate starts at $7.50 a month. There's a lot of different upgrades you can do. I recommend, if you are an independent artist, signing up for the basic account, just one artist. However, why might you want two artists? Well, a lot of the clients that I work with are children's musicians, so they release music for kids. However, they also have music that isn't necessarily for kids that they still want out there in the world. If you have two different audiences, or let's say you're in a band and you do solo work, then you would want to choose Musicians Plus. Let's take a look and see what some of these other options are. Upload unlimited songs, upload unlimited lyrics, Spotify verified checkmate, create royalty splits, access to 21 free tools, and mobile app access. That's all basic. But then you start getting into things like streaming stats, customizing your own label. If you do not have the higher plan where you get to establish your own record label, then it will automatically put Distrokid as the label. Other benefits are that you could do file sharing on here, you can do custom iTunes pricing, and again, in that more advanced, you can really get more analytics. And so that is where, if you are really serious about growing your music and your following, and you really want to get into the nitty-gritty of the analytics to optimize your reach, you can do that here. That was Distrokid, but there are a lot of other options out there. So now let's take a look at one of those options.